what's up? My name is Thaddeus Jardin. That's what I'm gonna name me, but I've redesigned myself, reinvented myself. I am called Taddy Boom Harbinger Vibes, but that's on the entertainment side of things. Currently, what I do, 8 to 4, so to speak, is that I'm a nail technician. Yes, I am the sole proprietor of Boom's World Nail Studio. And somebody might think to ask, Boom, like, dog, why nails? Like, you sure, bro? I'm like, yeah, real sure. The reason why I first started off doing nails is because girls and money, right? Nails are the woman, are the girls, right? It had the money. And I found it was a way to merge two things I like and love a lot. But what I would say though is that beyond that, being an entrepreneur, doing nails, running a business of my own has really taught me some valuable skills. More so when it comes to understanding people and communication. Yeah, because of this, it has helped me to develop how I interact with persons, understanding people, even developing my more empathetic side when it comes to things that people will be going through. As a nail tech, your salon is not just service being rendered or getting nails done. It's also a place of solace to so many patrons that pass through, and your clients. Like, they come, they have a lot that they offload, they share with you, they could give the best advice that they could possibly give. So you're not just a nail tech, but you're a comforter, you're an advisor, you're a counselor, you're all these different things that you never signed up for. But because of the job and doing it for so long, I was able to develop these things and understand people as well. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not certified in peripheral sciences or nothing like that, so don't feel I is no Dr. Phil. However, if I understand things or I could pull from someone else's experience to help, it is good that way. Opportunities I would have gotten because of being a nail technician, I have no major opportunities. However, what I would say in being an entrepreneur, being able to work on my own clock and my own time, it has allowed me to do the other things that I'm interested in, I'm a part of. When it comes to entertainment, as I said, I'm also a PC technician. So all these various things I'm able to do. So I have the opportunity of time to pursue other things that I appreciate. Yeah. As soon as I'm done here, I actually have to go to a video shoot to do something with a company. I just have to love it. And these are the things that I really appreciate in being an entrepreneur. The experience is overwhelming to say that it's real happy. You're making your own money, you can set your pace. But that's the thing. If you're unwell, you have no money to get, right? During the COVID lockdown that we had recently, like, I was out of employment, so to speak, in entertainment, in the nails, in all my different ventures, right? So things like that could be stressful, right? If clients are coming, they're really gonna wonder what to do. But these are the things that it helps you to develop. So now I have to be my own marketing person at times. I have to get the job done. So that's what I really appreciated. So my advice to persons that may want to start this nails thing, understand it's not just a hustle. Know that it's something you really want to get done. You want to put your all into it. Don't think to yourself because there's money to be made, that's going to come and do it. If that's your sole drive, it wouldn't be sufficient because you're just going to give any and anything. People want a value for their money, so you have to be able to give a value. Yeah. So once again, hey, put your all in. Make sure it's something you really like, or that you could at least put your best foot forward, and it will reward you immensely. So you don't know, all the lucky dogs, stay blessed. Good vibes, yeah.